In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stay hidden on LinkedIn during your job search. If you're actively looking for a new opportunity and want to maintain some privacy, LinkedIn offers some great options for you to explore. Let's walk through these steps so you can proceed with confidence and discretion. First things first, navigate to linkedin.com. Once there, sign into your account. You can do this using Google, Microsoft, or simply by entering your email address and password. It's vital to ensure that you log in securely, particularly when handling sensitive information. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. This is an added security measure to keep your account safe. Once you've logged in, you should head over to your profile by clicking the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. From there, select Settings Privacy. This is where you'll find all the essential settings to control who sees what on your LinkedIn profile. Now that you're in the Settings Privacy section, look to the list on the left side of the screen and click on Visibility. This area lets you manage what information is shared and who can view your activities. An important step here is editing your public profile visibility. Click on Edit your public profile. At this point, you have the option to set your profile's public visibility to off. By doing this, only people with whom you've shared your profile can view it, adding a significant layer of privacy to your job-seeking activities. Next up, let's switch your profile to private mode for a more discreet browsing experience. Head back to the Settings Privacy section and again, select Visibility. Then, find and select Profile Viewing Options. You'll see several modes to choose from, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Private Mode. It's worth noting that when you browse in private mode, people can see that someone viewed their profile, but they won't know who you are. This can be particularly useful if you want to discreetly look at potential employers or recruiters without leaving a trace. By following these steps, you're taking control of your privacy on LinkedIn during your job search. Remember, these settings can be updated whenever you wish to change your privacy level. Staying informed and being proactive with your LinkedIn settings can certainly give you peace of mind as you journey toward new career opportunities. We hope these steps help you feel more secure and give you the discretion you need while exploring job prospects.